Hey girl, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be doing a DIY canvas art, and in this portion of the clip I'm just showing you what the before looked like, and then I'm going to show you what the after looks like. So let's go ahead and jump right into this video. I hope you guys enjoy. As I am looking up tempera paints, I noticed it's not the best paint for canvas art, so we're gonna make a store run and go and get some acrylic paints. The other three colors that I have, they are acrylic paints, but I'm starting to see that the white is, or the actual original color of the canvas is bleeding through. So what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna show you guys, but what I'm gonna do is go to the store, pick up some white acrylic paint and see what we can do with that. This is what the canvas is looking like after the first coat. And what I don't want to do is have to end up putting 4 coats of this tempera paint on here because it's kind of liquidy and thin almost. So I'm gonna go and get some different paint. And what I'm going to do with this paint is I'm just going to keep it because it's white, and I'm sure I'll be doing some more DIY projects, so I'll be holding on to this paint here. Yeah, so I don't know what I was thinking when I picked this up. I really thought it was acrylic paint, and like I said, these are the other 3 colors that are going on my canvas, and they are, this actually looks a bit yellow coming up on camera, but it literally is not yellow. Like it's the color is latte, so it's the color of a latte basically. So yeah, I'm gonna go and get some acrylic paint from the store. While this is drying, by the time I get back it should be dry, and then we're gonna jump right into that second coat. So catch y'all at the store. All right, y'all, the goods have been secured. So I ended up getting the Americana Decor Arts Premium Acrylic Paint in Snow Titanium White. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and see what this one is looking like. I don't know if y'all could tell, but the shiny parts is what's not dry. Like right there, right here. But this is the first coat, but hopefully when I put this on it will be a little bit more thicker. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start the second coat, and we're gonna get it cracking.
making a big deal out of the little things, cause I got big deals and I got little things. Got everything I'm asking for, but you stop making a big deal out of the little things. Let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stand. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Would you hurt, you're mine, you're mine. All I'm really asking for is you. You're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Would you hurt, you're mine, you're mine. Long as you know who you belong to.
From 8 until late, I think about you. Yeah, on my nights, I don't know what to do. I can't get no rest, can't get no sleep. Yeah, this whole thing got way too deep, and we should stop making a big deal out of the little things. Cause I got big deals and I got little things. I got everything I'm asking for, but you stop making a big deal out of the little things. Let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stand. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Would you hurt, you're mine, you're mine.
All I'm really asking for is you.
You're mine, you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine, you're mine. Would you hurt, you're mine, you're mine.
Long as you know who you belong to.
If you go to church, if she ain't got a butt, fucking get a Toyota. Yeah, you just wanna party, you just wanna lap dance, you just wanna pop up on these guns, take you to Batman, you just wanna put that